Hello ladies, I asked my dear friend to make this video for me. This is actually my very first scrapbook album that I have ever made. It was in 2014 when I have for the first time discovered scrapbooking on YouTube by coincidence, and I totally fell in love with scrapbooking. So I immediately thought of the project, and it was this mini album that I have made for my friend, because she likes mini things, she likes pink, she likes bling, she likes flowers. So I thought that this would be something that she would enjoy, and it gave me more inspiration and motivation to put all my skills and efforts into it. So it was really fun project. I already gave her the album with some photos attached into it from our trips together and our vacations together. So some of the flips or tags or some of the parts of the album are not being shown, so we are not showing our private photos, like for example here, this middle part with the red lace around. That's also a flap that you can open, lift up, so I guess there are pictures glued to it, so she's not showing the part. And also every page in between has tuck spots, so you can pull it out. You can see the flower on the left in the middle, so you can pull it out, but we already glued some photos on it, so that's why I think she's not removing it here, but I think later in the video she will show it on one that has no photos on it. So as I said, this was the very first project ever. It was difficult to find papers and flowers, and it took me a while, but it was definitely worthwhile, and I really enjoyed the beginnings of my scrapbooking work, and I am really happy that I have discovered scrapbooking. What I would like to also share with you is that my friend, she has also her own YouTube channel. It has nothing to do with scrapbooking or junk journaling or anything in a paper world. She is creating ASMR videos, no talking in the videos. It's just recording the sound so people can listen to the sounds. Or even to watch a video if there is something happening, and that's something what is her hobby. So I will add below my video, I will also add her link if that's something that you like, and go ahead and check her YouTube channel out. Yeah, I think that I like the way how she's also touching the surface and the paper, because this was a specific paper where the flowers or images were a little bit raised up, and it gives this nice feeling under the fingers where you can feel the difference, touching the lace or touching the ruffles, just touching different surfaces. It gives a really nice feeling. She's showing here this nearly last page that also opens. I think she forgot to open it in the middle. There is like a little tangle, and you can just unwind it, and it does open another flap, but there will be few pictures at the end of this video where you can see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.